Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nishamadhulika's delicious homemade tomato sauce. First, select 1 kilogram of bright red ripe tomatoes for the best flavor and color. Wash them well, then cut each tomato into 4 pieces. Place these pieces into a pot, cover it, and boil them over low heat until they become very soft. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once your tomatoes are soft, mash the boiled mixture thoroughly. Next, strain this through a fine steel sieve to remove any large pieces. If there's still coarse pulp left in the sieve, grind it in a mixer until smooth, then strain it again. You should only be left with the tomato skins and seeds to discard, ensuring a perfectly smooth pulp. Quick recommendation: while that delicious sauce simmers, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes. On another note, just like you want the best ingredients for your sauce, you deserve the best socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, place the strained tomato pulp back on the heat to simmer. Once it starts to boil and thicken, add 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1/2 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Stir continuously to prevent the sauce from sticking to the bottom. Continue cooking until the sauce is thick enough to drop in a lump from your spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.